Okay, so it's coming in the summer now and we all want our six packs. And even if you say you don't want your six pack, you probably do. So one of the best exercises to get that would be the cable crunch. It's one of my favourites. It's an exercise that you can progress on very, very easily just by simply increasing the weight. But it's something that a lot of people get wrong. So it's only good if you do it right. Firstly, grab your mat, protect the knees, and grab yourself a rope, have it at the very top or close to the top, and select a decent amount of weight. Now, the common mistake that people make with this is they push their hips back and there's a lot of movement at the hips. Keep the hips, the legs and everything absolutely stable. All we want is spinal flexion, so movement at the spine. So in short, grab a mat, get a rope, have the pulley at the very top or close to the top, and just make sure that you are not swinging with your hips. Be stable, contract the core, flex the spine, and practice, practice, practice. Start off by doing more than what you normally do. So if you currently do 0, do it twice a week. And then if you're still not seeing results after a while, do it more. It's a volume game.